Today, in this tour, we're going to see how Khari biscuits are made in the factory. The process starts with gathering and mixing the ingredients in a mixing machine. Then, the plain flour is weighed and added into the mixture to make a smooth, elastic dough. Here, the dough is weighed out, rolled, buttered, folded and rolled again to form layers. Afterwards, the dough sheet is rolled out one final time into a thin sheet on a conveyor belt. After rolling out the dough sheet, it is cut to the desired shapes. Next, the cut pieces are placed on trays for the baking process. Once the baking process is done, the flaky and crispy Khari biscuits are almost ready. Finally, the yummy Khari biscuits are packaged in the packets and weighed and sealed. At last, the Khari biscuits are ready to dispatch.